Welcome back to Auto Show Cars. Today, we're diving into something truly special, Toyota's all-new 2025 Motorhome. If you're an adventurer at heart or someone who loves the idea of home on wheels, this is a game changer. Let's start with the design. Toyota has combined functionality with a futuristic aesthetic. This motorhome boasts a streamlined body with aerodynamic curves, reducing wind resistance for better fuel efficiency. The front end carries Toyota's signature bold grille, LED headlights, and a robust stance, making it look both stylish and durable. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome offers multiple powertrain options. There's a fuel-efficient hybrid version for those looking to maximize range and minimize emissions. For off-grid enthusiasts, Toyota also provides an all-electric variant with an extended battery pack, giving you the ability to travel long distances without relying on gas stations. With advanced regenerative braking and solar panels on the roof, this RV is designed to keep you powered up even in remote locations. Now, let's talk about the interior. This is where the magic happens. Step inside, and you're greeted with a spacious, high-tech living space. Toyota has maximized every inch, providing a fully equipped kitchenette with a modern induction stove, a refrigerator, and plenty of storage. The dining area seamlessly converts into additional sleeping space, while the primary sleeping quarters offer a plush, memory foam mattress with panoramic windows for breathtaking views. Smart technology plays a huge role in making life on the road more convenient. The 2025 Toyota Motorhome features a digital control panel that allows you to adjust lighting, climate, and even monitor water and energy levels, all from a touchscreen or a mobile app. There's also built-in Wi-Fi, multiple USB-C charging ports, and a surround sound system for entertainment. Safety is always a priority for Toyota, and this motorhome is no exception. It comes equipped with advanced driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system for easier maneuvering in tight spaces. The reinforced chassis ensures stability on highways and rough terrain, making it perfect for both city and off-road adventures. Whether you're a weekend camper or a full-time traveler, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome offers comfort, efficiency, and innovation in one incredible package. What do you think? Would you take this on your next road trip? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content. See you in the next video.